So, what is an orthodontist and what exactly do they do? I'm certainly the right person to ask. Think of your orthodontist as a medical specialist, like a surgeon. Someone who, after finishing college, went to dental school, then continued on to earn a postdoctoral degree specializing in aligning your teeth and bite. And that's exactly what we do. So, if your teeth stick out, are too crowded, too far apart, don't quite line up, or don't meet at all, an orthodontist is an expert at straightening your smile. We use exams, x-rays, molds, and photos to create custom care plans for every patient, complete with the necessary appliances and timelines you need to create a healthy smile. The AAO represents over 19,000 orthodontists in our mission to bring the life-changing benefits of orthodontic care to patients worldwide.
Call now to reserve your free consultation at any of our 3 locations. Noorani Orthodontics, transforming smiles, changing lives.